Hello everyone, my name is Atena and thank you for joining me for today's very important lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to continue our way from the previous videos where we learned 30 advanced verbs. If you missed part 1, 2 and 3, don't worry. The links of them are in the description below and in the cards above here. Let's move on to part number 4. Jake put an air freshener in his car to cover the smell of cigarettes so nobody would notice. To mask the smell of cigarettes. Mask, mask. When we mask something, we try to cover a smell, a sound, a taste, or a feeling. It's kind of like the noun, mask. If you wear a mask, you're covering your face. The verb works in the same way. Sarah tried to mask her disappointment with a smile. She was disappointed, but she was smiling. Some people use sugar to mask the bitterness in coffee. Make sure you make the cloth a little wet before cleaning. Make sure you dampen the cloth. Dampen, dampen. When we dampen something, we make it a little bit wet. We need to dampen the wallpaper before it can stick to the wall. So we can dampen physical objects like a sponge or a cloth. But we can also dampen plans or emotions. This means to ruin. Victor's negative comments couldn't dampen Sam's enthusiasm for the project. His comments couldn't ruin Sam's enthusiasm. Number 3. Don't drive forward. Go in the opposite direction. Reverse. Reverse. When we reverse, we go in the opposite direction, usually backward. To parallel park, you need to be able to reverse into the space. So, when we speak about reversing, it can be a physical movement, but we can also reverse plans or decisions. The city council faced public pressure and decided to reverse the decision to build a shopping mall in the park. Reverse. It's okay if your English doesn't improve every day. It's also important to keep the same level of English so your level doesn't go down. It's also important to maintain your level of English. Maintain. Maintain. When we maintain something, we keep something the way it is so it doesn't get worse. To maintain a garden, you have to water and trim the plants every day. Our company's goal is to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction. We have a 4.5 star rating and that is the way we want to keep it. Your baby shower is happening at the same time as my vacation, so I can't go, Friday. And a baby shower is not a shower for babies. A baby shower is a party for a pregnant woman, where she can receive gifts for the baby. Your baby shower coincides with my vacation. Coincide, coincide. When something coincides with something, they happen at the same time or around the same time. And normally, coincide isn't used in a continuous tense. So my first example, I wrote is happening. Present continuous. Normally, coincide would just be used in a simple tense. The deadline for the project coincides with the start of my exams, which is making me really stressed. Number 6. After the earthquake, the 911 call center received too many calls. They were overwhelmed. The 911 call center was inundated with calls. Inundate. Inundate. A person or a place receives too many messages, calls, emails, requests. They can be inundated, normally in a short period of time. A local volunteer organization was inundated with offers of help after the tsunami. So many times, inundate is used in the passive voice, but not always. The sudden increase in website traffic inundated the server, causing it to crash temporarily. Number 7. The police asked the man many questions in an aggressive way because they wanted information about a crime. The police interrogated the man. Interrogate. Interrogate. When we interrogate someone, we ask the person lots of questions, usually in kind of an aggressive way. So in a normal interview, there might be lots of questions, but nobody is being interrogated. Think about the police or maybe someone in a position of power. They could interrogate someone. The security guard interrogated the visitor before allowing him access to the restricted area. My daughter told me that this was her teacher's signature. I can't believe she tried to trick me into believing that this was true. I can't believe she tried to trick me into believing that this was true. I can't believe she tried to fool me. Fool, fool. When we fool someone, we trick that person into believing something. The counterfeit bills looked so authentic that they even fooled the most experienced cashiers. And counterfeit money is fake money, fake illegal money. Many times, food can be used in the passive voice. I can't believe that I was fooled into believing that he cared about me. Last one. I work with Zoe. The problem with Zoe is that she steals my ideas and tells the boss that they are her ideas. I finally told her that I was unhappy about this and I wanted the problem to end. I finally confronted her. confront, confront. When we confront someone, we tell this person, I am not happy with what you are doing. It needs to stop. And normally, we confront someone about lying, cheating, inappropriate behavior, stealing, things like that. If you confront someone, you're a little bit emotionally angry. All anger is emotional, but I think you know what I mean. It's not easy to confront someone. Harry had to confront his neighbors for constantly parking in his parking spot. It's a problem that needs to stop. The first step in solving any problem is to confront it and understand why it's a problem. Part 4 done. I appreciate you watching this lesson, and in the upcoming video, part 5, you will be able to witness the remaining incredible teaching. Please subscribe and give this thumb up if you found it helpful. I wish you luck while you study English. Bye!